Hey guys, welcome back to Holidays, Visiting Places, Part 2. Where should we go? Before we begin, let's review our vocabulary. Museum, museum. National park, national park. Amusement park, amusement park. The zoo, the zoo. The beach, the beach. The movies, the movies. Aquarium, aquarium. The farm, the farm. Now, let's jump straight into it. Let's go to the museum. Let's go to the museum. Let's go to a national park. Let's go to a national park. Let's go to the amusement park. Let's go to the amusement park. Let's go to the zoo. Let's go to the zoo. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the movie theater. Let's go to the movie theater. Let's go to the aquarium. Let's go to the aquarium. Let's go to the farm. Let's go to the farm. Now remember to practice your sentences, okay? And I'll see you later for part 3. What can we do there? See you later.